Happy hump day, and I am really tired, so I decided to come out here, get some fresh air to talk about the E for beauty. When we explore, we learn and develop new things about ourselves that we didn't think possible, and whenever we gain that strength and that confidence, it comes out as such a light from within. And that light unveils our fears, and they don't seem so scary anymore, and the unknown actually becomes an adventure, and we get to discover even more about ourselves and just feel more confident. I know I used confidence twice now, but it's more about having faith from within, faith in yourself, that no matter what comes your way, you can overcome it, you can conquer it. Great, the AC vent is on, so just go out and explore more, try new things, and see what happens as your soul opens up. Mosquitoes. Okay, bye.